Hello again, and welcome to this tutorial where you're going to learn how to post a blog post or kind of like a new information news post. If we are on the website and we're scrolling down past our main sections, we get to the GPC blog. And right now we have this event, highlighted Neighborhood Day Camp, this event, the VBS, but those are old events. We need something new. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our dashboard and um, we're going to see this first piece here, post, all posts, add new. So we're going to add a new post. And it goes right here. Add new post. Enter title here. Exciting new series in August. Jonah. Boom. Okay. And then this box here is where the text would go. And you have your bold, italic, cross through, bulleted list, number list. You can do a block quote. You can draw a horizontal line, left align, center. So it's just like um, other things. This actually brings down more options that I tend to not use. If you hit the text box here, it gives you the opportunity to kind of code as you go, but you don't necessarily need to because you've got all your bold italic stuff here. So let's just say coming this August, Pastor Chris will rock the book of Jonah. Boom. Okay, now that doesn't make a very exciting article. We either probably need a picture to go above it, or if we had a video, we could add a video, or if there was an audio quote or something like that. What we can do is add a picture. And we can add a main picture here, a featured image. And so to get that image to sit on top like we see here, we're just going to add this featured image. So first of all, you want to find one. So I have Googled Jonah and I have found one that's really interesting. So if you click View Image, it brings up the image and you can download it, which I have done. So then we're just going to go back to our Add New Post and we're going to set featured image by going to Upload Files. I got to get it off my hard drive onto the website and find it here. And I'm going to choose, and it's loading here. And once it's loaded, we'll see it appear here. It is checked, which means this is the one it's going to use. If I wanted to use Dory instead, I could click that, or Ron, but I'm going to use Jonah. And it's got this weird title here. I want to use Jonah, and then alternate title. I'm just going to say Jonah again. Sometimes it's good. Actually, it's always good to just get a clipping copy where you found it, and I'm going to put it right in here. So I'm going to set that as the featured image. And since that's really all the information that we have right now, coming this August, Pastor Chris will rock the book of Jonah, and we want to use a picture, then we're almost ready to publish. Just a couple of things we want to do. We have to choose a category so it knows where to put the article. So we're going to choose GPC blog. That's where it's going to go. If this was an article that talked about Jesus, Sting, and Billy Joel, we would talk about Jesus and we'd put Sting, and we talk about Billy Joel, and then we'd hit add, and these tags would end up here, here, and here, but since we're not talking about those things, we can get rid of them. The featured image is good. We've got categories. That's good. It's a standard thing. So what we're going to go ahead and do is publish. And it is going to go ahead and load to the website. And we're going to go to the website. Oh, we don't see it. That's because we have to refresh. And upon refreshing, it's right there. So we have, in just a moment, included or added a new post. that automatically tells if you want to read more, you can read more. Um, that is the basic way to add a new post. If you want more in-depth tutorial on what to do to add a post, then you're going to go to your Elegant Themes Gallery Divi documentation, the tutorial, and just watch their video on blogs. And it will teach you how to do nearly everything that this module is capable of doing. Um, it's really helpful, really simple and explanatory. So that is how to add a new post so that it shows up on our blog and gives the church information when we need them to have it. The only other thing that I would say to this is, let's say that it was Friday and you wanted to actually publish on a Monday. You can tell it by hitting this. You can tell it that I actually want you to publish on July 23rd at 7:58 a.m. and then it'll say schedule, not publish. And you hit schedule. And now it is scheduled. If we go back to the web page and we update, we'll see it disappear because it hasn't really been released yet. And if we were to go to all posts, we would see it here, exciting new series in August, Jonah, and we would see that it is scheduled for a July 23rd release. So that is the end of this tutorial of how to add a news item, a blog post quickly and easily.